Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to talk about YouTube. YouTube is something that really intrigues me. Last month my channel grew by 500%, and at one point I was getting like 1,000 subscribers a day. And that's totally mind boggling, right? क्योंकि मुझे मतलब 3 साल पहले रोज 1 या 2 सब्सक्राइबर्स मिलते थे at max. Now obviously this is a very big flex. It's nice clickbait also. But remember, right now my channel is not growing at a very fast pace, but last month my channel was on fire. Oh, moreover, my revenue also increased by 10 times. I was earning $29 2 months back, and last month I earned around $255 something. So yeah, revenue also got multiplied. Now let me tell you a few reasons that I think contributed to this growth. The first reason that I think is consistency. Earlier I used to post once a week or sometimes once in 2 weeks. But later on, I was like, hey, let's start experimenting by making a lot of content at once. So I kept a daily goal of posting like one video every day. But because I am super lazy, I wasn't able to do that. I posted on alternate days, and guess what? YouTube likes consistency. The more content you post, the more does it promote your channel. So just because I increase the frequency, YouTube started pushing all my videos onto people's recommended list. और अगर YouTube के perspective में भी सोच के देखो, right? YouTube is an advertising company, and the more content they get, the better it is for them to advertise. And that's a simple reason why the channel grew. It's just consistency and of course decent content. Oh, moreover, I'm not appealing. My video production is not something crazy. It's very minimal. 3, my video content is also decent, I guess. It's not something really great. It all boils down to consistency. Number 2 is thumbnails and titles. Let's be fair here. Thumbnail and title is what matters the most in a video, right? क्योंकि अगर कोई मतलब उनके recommended list में जा रहा है, and if they see a really striking title and a really striking thumbnail, only then the person is going to click on it. So the very first thing that a person does before watching a video is watch your thumbnail and title. So I tried using a few clickbaits, not some crazy clickbaits, but yeah, I did use some clickbaits, and I do it even now because that's how the YouTube world works. At the same time, I make sure that I don't disappoint my audience. क्योंकि अगर मैं ऐसा तो कुछ बोल नहीं सकता कि hey, click on this video and get $100. That's crazy. I would not give $100. But I would put things like how to make money in college. Like everyone wants to earn money, and a lot of people are in college. तो ऐसा कोई title पढ़ के there are high chances कि वो click करेगा ही. So I came up with few titles like those, and that's one of the reasons why it shot up. Reason number 3 is one video that takes you to fame. I posted a video about how to make money in college, and it was a very genuine video, right? मैं कोई टाइलो पीस की तरह या फिर किसी और की तरह पीछे लैम्बोर्गिनी दिखा के या फिर कोई झूठा पैसा या फिर कोई fake app दिखा के I wasn't trying to fool people. It was a very genuine video about freelancing, and people loved it a lot. So when people like your content, especially when you're not cheating them, especially when you're genuine, when you're authentic, when you're not sponsoring, when you're not, attaching some paid content to it, and when it connects well, people subscribe. So वो video में क्या हुआ था कि people found it helpful, and I got like around 10,000 subscribers from that one single video, which was about how to make money in college. Now I can make a lot of clickbait videos, but clickbait is not good at all. Clickbait can be used occasionally, but if you use clickbait in every single video of yours, then you lose the trust that you're building with your audience. So make sure that even if you get a lot of subscribers through one video, you keep in touch with your audience and provide them value instead of just making fake clickbait videos. And that's my advice to everyone who's planning to get into YouTube. See, I am a very unprofessional person, a very lazy person, someone who hasn't done much in life, but still I was able to get a couple of subscribers. I think now we are at 30,000, almost at 30,000. And I'm really thankful to all of you guys for contributing to this growth. Lastly, build a community around what you're doing. What I did was I started making a lot of WhatsApp groups for my freelancing newsletter. This way I can stay in touch with my audience. So say tomorrow I stop posting videos, it would not mean that I would lose touch with all of you guys. I'm always there on Instagram, and plus I'm always there on those WhatsApp groups, so you guys can reach out to me anytime. And yeah, that's how things work. That's how you establish a connection with your audience. This is a tip for all the new YouTubers. I'm not a big YouTuber myself, but if you want to make it to the place where I am at right now, then yeah, sure, try out these things. Usually just one or two videos that change everything for a person. So keep posting nice content, be genuine, be authentic, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.